The Motor Vehicle Amendment Bill has been passed by the Rajya Sabha in the Parliament. The bill has been passed with 3 government amendments and will have to go back to the Lok Sabha. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Bill received 108 ayes and 30 noes in the Rajya Sabha today and brings necessary changes and provisions towards road safety in the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. Certain fines have been increased exponentially and revisions have been made to vehicle and license registration processes as well, along with other changes as well. Fiat Chrysler India has confirmed it will be launching the new generation Jeep Wrangler in India on August 9, 2019. But it hasn't been confirmed whether Jeep will be launching the Rubicon or the Sahara or both, although both new gen models have been spotted testing in India in the last few months. The new Jeep Wrangler now gets a new platform that is lighter, larger and at the same time as capable off-road as the ones in the past. It will get an updated cabin with a revised dashboard as well. Under the hood, the 2019 Jeep Wrangler could get the tried and tested 3.6-litre V6 naturally aspirated Pentastar engine and the 2.2-litre diesel engine. Triumph Motorcycles has announced the production models of the 2020 Triumph Rocket 3 in 2 variants, the Triumph Rocket 3R and the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. The R is the roadster variant of the Triumph Power Cruiser, while the GT is the touring-oriented variant of the new Triumph Rocket 3. Both variants are powered by a new engine, a 2,458cc inline 3-cylinder DOHC engine, which puts out around 165 brake horsepower at 3,000 RPM, and a massive 221 Nm of peak torque at just 4,000 RPM. These 2 models will be production spec to be available as a 2020 model and will be launched in India as well in the first quarter of 2020.
If you like that video, you've got to subscribe to our channel. We keep things nice and simple and yet very comprehensive just for you.